Guys, I got a new unboxing today and it is gonna be another fanny pack. This one right here is from a company called 511 Tactical. You're in the EDC game, you know exactly what company this is. I've been working with 511 for quite some time and I got a new bag of theirs, which is called the Covrt Select Carry Pistol. And this is 3 liters. Very excited for this. Why? Because I have been rocking a lot of off-body carry. Okay, so just an unboxing experience. This is what you're looking at here. Covrt Select Carry Pistol Pouch. It's an ambidextrous CCW pouch. It has a main compartment that features hot pull tabs for ready access, a rear compartment that fits 3 mags, includes removable holster straps, accommodates a mid-sized pistol with light and optic mounted, and it also comes in 2 colors. It comes in this black here with a little gray accent, also comes in a Florida green with gray accents as well. I opted to go with the black color. Now, what makes this Covrt? Well, I think it's because this 511 logo, you can actually hide into there and now you don't know that this is a 511 bag. So if you're wearing this on your person, it's like, oh, it just looks like a regular fanny pack. No. I'm not gonna really go into the details of the specs of this bag because I'm just unboxing it for you all, just giving you a first look at it. I'm definitely gonna do a review and what this looks like on my person. But outside you got, it looks like 1, 2, 3 compartments. And then on the back side, ooh, I like that buckle there. I think, is this Duraflex? Maybe Duraflex, I'm not sure. That extends out, so you have your keeper there as well. Now, I don't like this. Already, I don't like this hang time here. And my waist ain't that big, but I know that we're gonna have to do something with this hang time because I don't like all that stuff hanging. On the back side, you do have ventilation. So if you decide to wear this on your hip, which is what it's intended for, you have that ventilation right there against your pelvic area. Start with the pockets up front. In the front, you have this zipper here, and in there, no organization. It's kind of just a small little dump pouch. You can fit your wallet in here comfortably, maybe your phone that fits right in the front, and then you have CCW compartment. So that right there is the CCW compartment. It looks like they include some form of a holster. I need to figure out how this is going to work. Okay, so it looks like you have your trigger guard, and then this goes to the back of the slide and holds your pistol in place, I'm assuming. And then you have on the bottom some loop. So if you want to decide to go with maybe a Raven concealment type trigger guard, you can hook that onto here. So that way you don't have a holster that's taking up a lot of space inside of this Covrt bag. And then on the front side, you have another small area for hook and loop, where if you have maybe a double-sided Velcro holster where you want more of a security, you can snap that together. And then you have your access pull tabs, ready access pull tabs. It's ambidextrous, so if you want to pull from the right side or you want to pull from the left, completely up to you. I like going across, pulling down, so I'm gonna have this exposed. And what I noticed, which is cool and different from the Helicon text that I unboxed and the QAPL, is that this actually folds over, so that way you can hide that a little bit more and it doesn't protrude into the inside of the CCW area. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and expose this left side here. Oh, that's pretty cool. So not only can you expose this, you can Velcro this to the section right here. Nice little attention to detail, where you can have that there so it's not just popping up and out and people are seeing what you're carrying. I mean, typically if a guy's wearing a fanny pack, they look a little tactical, you know why they're wearing a fanny pack. That adds more of a covert feel to this bag. So how it works is, with this, you just pull open and you get access to the inside compartment where your firearm would be rested up here if you have a holster, or if you have it connected to one of these loops on the bottom with a Raven Conceal trigger guard. And that way in a pinch, you would pull down, grab your firearm, get ready to go. That I am going to test out. Like I said, this is just a first impressions video. The back side is another compartment, and they say that you can put 3 mags back here. Okay, and that's why. So you have these 3 elastic bands back here where you can put 3 mags, which go all the way to the bottom of the bag. And it's also another dump area for your wallet or any other EDC essentials. I like it. It's pretty cool. It is very covert, like they promote, and I gotta give this rapid pull a try. Here, let me see if I can put it on my waist real quick. On my person, I have this, and rapid pull is right here. It doesn't go all the way down, even if I follow through and hold it, but it reveals enough of where my holster and firearm would be where I can go and draw. I just gotta practice with that a little bit more. If you decide to carry fanny pack off body, highly recommend that you do practice with the gear that you have, especially since they have a little hook and loop section here where it does tether itself to the bag after you have this tab exposed. That you don't want to have as a hindrance. So when you pull down, boom, you get access, ready to go. That's essentially how this works. That is the Covrt Select Carry Pistol. I think it's going for $45 right now on 511's website. Fairly new. Try to look on YouTube to see if I can look at reviews of this bag already. Nothing out there, so this might be one of the first impressions video that is out on YouTube. But let me know what you guys think about this bag. My name is Mikey Messina. This is Mikey Daily Carry. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.